Hi, I'm Corey Barker. Welcome to Bassoon Lessons Online, where I help you learn to play the bassoon with more confidence and ease. Today I want to talk to you about a leaking embouchure. One of the issues that I see a lot with new students is air coming out of the sides of your embouchure. If you hear this like sort of sizzle noise, a little bit of a situation, this is pretty common and we can solve it. Don't worry about it. What's happening is that the muscles of your embouchure are just not strong enough to maintain the position that they need to be held in. People that come from other instruments like the clarinet or the saxophone, I feel, tend to have this issue more often, just because those types of embouchures tend to be a little bit more firm. When you're shifting to an embouchure that is more relaxed, even though it feels like it takes less effort, holding those muscles in any sort of position that you're not accustomed to is going to cause fatigue. Say, for example, you've trained for a very long time to hold your arm out like this. That's going to be super easy if you've perfected it, if you've been working on it a while. Now just imagine that you need to shift to this position. You use different muscles. Even though you're using your arm, you're still raising your arm. It's the same concept, but you're using different muscles to hold that position. Our embouchure muscles are very small, and it is very easy for them to become weaker without use. So if you're hearing this, you can hear a little bit of air coming out here. Maybe you can't hear it over the sound of the instrument, and a lot of times that ends up being the case. You only hear it in the immediate vicinity around you, but it creates a lot of inefficiency, and it means that you're wasting air and you're wasting effort, and I definitely don't like wasting effort. And one of my biggest goals is to make sure that you don't either. So one thing that I find helps students a lot dealing with this is to hold their reed backwards while you're not even playing. Maybe you're reading a book, doing your homework, something like that. Hold your reed in your mouth, just like that, for a while. And this is going to strengthen the muscles on the sides of your mouth without causing them fatigue. All you're doing is basically pushing these muscles in more than you might be accustomed to. You could do this with a pencil or a straw. Ideally something that you're not going to injure yourself with if were you to fall over or something, so don't use a vocal. Use your own judgment whenever you're trying to deal with that. When you're playing, just be aware when this happens. Give yourself a little, oh, okay, I've got to make sure that this is something that I'm aware of. You hear it, just stop for a moment, kind of like stretch out a little bit, do some smiles, make some fish faces. That will help to stretch out your facial muscles a little bit. If you find this helpful, I would love if you would share with anybody that you know may also have this problem. Hit subscribe so that you don't miss any lessons, and let me know in a comment if there are other topics that you would like to have covered here on Bassoon Lessons Online.